By means of texture, accent, or color, an orchestration works serves form and content, and it can aid in clarifying a phrase. Let's listen to the Leonore Overture No. 3, composed by Beethoven. Beethoven built an orchestral crescendo by adding octaves until triple forte is reached. A simple addition of cellos and double basses and a bit of melodizing of the harmony in the second violins set off the first and the second statement of the theme and prepare so well the tutti version.